As the open search window shows, there are 257 occurrences of the word word in the New Testament. And as you may be aware, this is often how the Greek word logos is translated into English. But when is it the translation of another word, or conversely, when is logos translated with a different English term? In this video, I'll show you how to use the not equals operator to answer these types of questions. This operator returns results when the terms are not linked to the same location in the text. In this particular case, we are comparing the English translation and the underlying original language term with which it is tagged. Add not equals to the search string and then add the Greek term logos. Do this by simply entering the English letters Logos and then selecting the Greek lemma from the drop-down. Run the search to find all the occurrences where the word word in the translation is not derived from the Greek word logos. Conversely, have the Greek term on the left and the English translation on the right of the operator and run the search. This shows all the times where the Greek term is translated with a different English word. So the not equals operator is a really good way of finding places where the different tags associated with a particular place in the text are not equivalent. And there are a range of training videos that explore different search operators. Please have a look at them to enhance your search capability within Logos.